Armor shell protection brings strong quality like bend resistance, drop resistance, scratch resistance, and dust and water resistance to the phone. Hello everyone, I'm Francis Wang. Today I will be giving you an early unboxing experience from all new product from Realme, the Note60. Wow, a brick. What's inside this packaging? It looks really tough. Wow.
Hey Francis, try to pry it open.
Wow, what's inside seems to be tougher than the outside. This is the all-new Realme Note60. They say this phone is hard to break, and now it's time to open it. Let's do it. Okay, we finally see the phone. Let's take a look what's inside. This phone is only 7.84 millimeters and weighs only 187 grams, making it super slim for an entry-level model. But don't be fooled by its super thin body. It has an incredible sturdy structure. I want to take it apart and show you how. Okay, now we can see the Realme Note60. Every part of the phone was scaled up. All this while achieving reliable quality in entry-level smartphones has always been a tough ask. Most entry-level models in the industry compromise on quality due to cost consideration. Their structure strength, drop resistance, and water resistance are reduced somehow or other. I'd like to show you a typical model, what's in the market, as most of the entry-level phones are using. Inside, this is their structure. Let's say whether it's hard or easy to break. See, that's the inner body almost every entry-level smartphone in the market right now. Easy to break. But the Note series aim to provide every user with an entry-level product that offers a good experience. Our commitment is to never sacrifice on the basic user experience, especially when it comes to the quality, the most important aspect in the entry-level smartphone. The mainboard of the phone covers is definitely very important. It defines the structures of the overall strength, like the loading bearing walls of a building. The stronger it is, the higher structural integrity of the phone can be. On the Note60, we use robust die-cast aluminum structure, the same material used in the race car chassis for exceeding the usual standard within this price range. I'd like to show you how strong it is. Now, I'm equally using the power. It's not easy to break. So you can see this is definitely metallic and this one is definitely plastic. So metallic versus plastic. Additionally, during the die casting process of the mainboard cover, we added 4 solid reinforcing ribs on both sides and in the middle, creating integrated metal inner frame. Compared to the hollow OLED sheet plus plastic wrap structure of products in the same price range, our mainboard covers uses 20% more aluminum. Let me show you a lab video to illustrate this, where you can see the Note60 structure bending resistance is more than twice that of competitors' solutions, so we are really ahead of the pack. See? It's obvious. We also equipped the Note60 with a reinforced glass, using the same glass reinforcement process as high-end models. The raised screen protection bezel further reduced the chances of screen damage from drop and bumps. On the mainboard and subboard, Note60 features shock-absorbing circuit board, with all connectors equipped with silicon seals. This effectively prevents damage to internal connectors and disconnections due to drops, providing critical protection to important components. along with in-cell design, silicone straps, and foam at the card slot, USB ports, speakers, headphone jack, and microphone. The Note60 achieves IP64 dust and water resistance. Armor shell protection brings strong quality like bend resistance, drop resistance, scratch resistance, and dust and water resistance to the phone, making the Note60 a benchmark in terms of quality for entry-level phones. So stay tuned for our official release, and I'm inviting all of you to challenge what's inside of the Realme Note60. And you're gonna see how strong this metallic structure can be compared to any other plastic smartphone in the market.